All right, everyone. So we are moving all the way up the beach now, and you can see, even though the tide is coming in, we've moved all the way up. So we still have a good amount of space out there. And as we're coming up here, we said in the mid zone that we were starting to see more animals that were kind of living on the rocks and typically had methods of kind of being able to close themselves up and keep that moisture inside their bodies. And the further up we move, the fewer types of animals we're going to see. But as you can see on this rock, we're seeing a lot more of one type of animal, and right now that is barnacles. So as we move up, we kind of start losing all of the snails and limpets and even the mussels, and barnacles are kind of the last things because they are really, really good at being able to close that shell up and keep all the moisture inside their body. So this is kind of the top of the high tide zone, and then we're moving up into the splash zone. And so in the splash zone, we typically will not get a lot of water. It will only get water at the highest tides, and a lot of times even that is just kind of a splash. It's a great place to sunbathe, get some rest after a nice long day of tide pooling, and you will not see nearly as many animals up there, but typically as you're moving up, you might see a few barnacles, but this is where it will kind of turn into just the rocky beach that we're used to seeing.